This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section How Your Conditions Affect You. Part 2, Mental, Cognitive and Intellectual Capabilities. Questions 16 and 17 only. In this part, we ask how your mental health, cognitive or intellectual problems affect how you do things daily. By this we mean problems you may have from mental illnesses like schizophrenia, depression and anxiety, or conditions like autism, learning difficulties, the effects of head injuries, and brain or neurological conditions. Only answer yes to the following questions if you can do the activity safely, to an acceptable standard, as often as you need to, and in a reasonable length of time. Question 16 about coping with social situations like meeting new people and going to meetings or appointments. If you can cope with social situations without feeling too anxious or scared, please tick the box and forward the video to question 17. Otherwise, can you meet people you know without feeling too anxious or scared? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. Next, can you meet people you do not know without feeling too anxious or scared? You can choose from no, yes, or it varies. If you have answered no or it varies, please use the given space to tell us why you find it distressing to meet new people. What makes it difficult and how often you feel like this? Also, please try to explain your problems and give examples if you can. Question 17, about whether your behavior upsets other people. By this, we do not mean minor arguments between couples, for example. If your behavior does not upset other people, please tick this box and go to question 18. You do not need to continue this video. Otherwise, how often do you behave in a way which upsets other people? For example, this might be because your disability, illness, or health condition results in you behaving aggressively or acting in an unusual way. You can choose from every day, frequently, occasionally, or it varies. After you choose, please use the next space to tell us or provide examples of how your behavior upsets other people and how often this happens. Please try to explain your problems and give examples if you can. If it varies, please tell us how. If you would like any additional information to be considered, only send us copies of medical or other information you already have. Do not ask or pay for new evidence. Please write your national insurance number on each piece of information you send to us. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.